Let's learn how to convert 100 inches to millimeters using unit conversion. First, let's recall the conversion factor between inches and millimeters. 1 inch is equal to 25.4 millimeters. To convert 100 inches to millimeters, we multiply 100 inches by our conversion factor. We can write this as 100 inches times 25.4 millimeters per inch. Notice how the units work here. The inches in the denominator will cancel with the inches we're converting, leaving us with just millimeters as our final unit. Now, let's multiply the numbers. 100 times 25.4 equals 2,540. Therefore, 100 inches is equal to 2,540 millimeters. To visualize this conversion, imagine that if we laid out 100 inches end to end, it would be the same length as 2,540 millimeters. Remember, when converting units, always check that your units cancel correctly and that your final answer makes sense.